In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email through Mailchimp. Navigating the intricacies of email marketing can often feel like trying to decipher a complicated puzzle, but worry not because Mailchimp has simplified the process considerably. And today, we're diving deep into how you can harness its power to send out your message. First off, you'll need to start at the very beginning, the Mailchimp login page. Accessing this page is your gateway to launching your email campaigns. So, head over to the Mailchimp website, and on the top right corner, you'll find the option to login. Click on it to be directed to the login page. Upon reaching the login page, you'll see two main fields asking for your username or email and your password. It's crucial here to input the details correctly. Remember, your username might not necessarily be your email address, so ensure you're entering the details that you originally signed up with. After filling in your credentials, proceed by clicking the Login button. If your details are correct, you'll be navigated to the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account. It's here that the real magic begins. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Campaigns option. This section is where all your email marketing activities begin. Campaigns are essentially the projects of your email marketing efforts, containing all the specific details, including the intended recipients, the email's content, and when it will be sent. After clicking on Campaigns, take a moment to browse through the list of your created campaigns. If you're new to Mailchimp, this list might be empty, or if you've been testing the waters, you might see a few test campaigns here. Either way, identify whether you want to create a new campaign or select an existing one to send. For the sake of this guide, let's assume you have a campaign ready to go. Select your campaign by clicking on it, and you'll be taken to the overview page of that specific campaign. Here you have two options. You can either send the campaign immediately using the send button, or send a test email to double check everything looks as it should. Sending a test email is always recommended. It's a precautionary step that allows you to view your email exactly as your subscribers will. To send a test email, simply click on Send a Test Email, which will prompt you to enter the email address where you'd like the test email to be sent. This could be your email address or that of a colleague who can give you feedback. After entering the email address for the test send, go ahead and click on Send Test. This will dispatch your test email, allowing you to review your campaign in an inbox setting, giving you the chance to make any necessary adjustments before the final send out. Assuming everything looks good in your test email, you are now poised to perform the final step, sending the campaign to your subscriber list. Navigate back to your campaign and confirm everything is in order. When you are ready, hit the send button with confidence. And just like that, your email is on its way to your audience. It's a moment worth celebrating, as each email sent represents an opportunity to connect, engage, and grow your audience. Now, a quick note on best practices. Always ensure you're sending content that is valuable and relevant to your audience. Mailchimp provides a lot of tools and analytics to help you understand how your campaigns are performing. Use this data to refine and improve your future email campaigns for the best engagement and results. In conclusion, remember, consistency is key in email marketing. Keep refining your message, listen to your audience, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Mailchimp is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can significantly amplify your marketing efforts. That's all for today's guide on how to send an email through Mailchimp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Mailchimp's comprehensive help section for more detailed guidance. Happy emailing!